Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Newsfeed Career Plus. So let's start our current affairs of July 21st, 2021. And the first question is, which of the following organization has recently launched a new campaign called Kala Vishwa? And the options are A. ICMR, B. BRO, C. ICCR, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is C. ICCR. ICCR has launched a new campaign called Kala Vishwa to reach out to traditional folk artists, local artists or artisans. Indian Council for Cultural Relations, founded in 1950 by Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. And the second question is, who among the following becomes first ever Indian batsman to hit 50 on both T20 and ODI debut? A. Ishan Kishan, B. Suryakumar Yadav, C. Sanju Samson, and D. both A and B. The correct answer is A. Ishan Kishan. Ishan Kishan becomes first ever Indian batsman to hit 50 on both T20 and ODI debut. And the third question is, which institute has developed NB driver for analyzing the cancer causing mutations in cells? And the options are A. IIT Mandi, B. IIT Ropar, C. IIT Madras, and D. IIT Bombay. And the correct answer is C. IIT Madras. NB driver is an AI tool which can be used in analyzing the cancer causing mutations in cells. This AI algorithm will spot changes in cell that can cause cancer. This AI tool has been developed by researchers working at the IIT Madras. And the fourth question is, which of the following communities have bagged this year's UNDP Equator Prize? And the options are A. Snehan Kunja Trust, B. Adimalai Pesangudiniar Producer Company Limited, C. both A and B, and D. none of these. And the correct answer is C. both A and B. UNDP and partners announced the winners of the 12th Equator Prize in two Indian communities have bagged. This year's UNDP Equator Prize, Sneha Kunja Trust and Adimalai Company, these two communities will win a prize amount of 10,000 USD. Winners were selected from a pool of over 600 nominations from 126 countries. Since 2002, Equator Prize awarded biennially to recognize outstanding community efforts. The Equator Prize, organized by the Equator Initiative within the UNDP Equator Prize 2021. This award ceremony will take place virtually on 4th October, and United Nations Development Program UNDP, founded in 1965 and headquartered in Steiner. And the fifth question is, Which of the following bank has launched an artificial intelligence powered virtual assistant FIDI? And the options are A. HDFC Bank, B. Federal Bank, C. Axis Bank, and D. ICICI Bank. And the correct answer is B. Federal Bank. Federal Bank launched an artificial intelligence powered virtual assistant FIDI to help customers with banking related queries anytime. And the sixth question is, who among the following is the author of the book titled The India Story? And the options are A. Bimal Jalan, B. Raghuram Rajan, C. M.K. Jain, and D. both B and C. And the correct answer is A. Bimal Jalan. Bimal Jalan is the author of the book titled The India Story. And the seventh question is, who among the following has won prestigious Norman Borlaug Award? And the options are A. Dr. Krishnamurthy, B. C.N.R. Rao, C. P.S.L. Murthy, and D. Kajal Chakravarti. And the correct answer is D. Kajal Chakravarti. CMFRI scientist Kajal Chakravarti won prestigious Norman Borlaug Award, which is announced every 5 years, carries a cash prize of 10 lakhs. And the eighth question is, who among the following is the author of the book titled India vs. China, Why They Are Not Friends? And the options are A. Indira Nooyi, B. Ravi Shukla, C. Kanti Bajpai, and D. Mukund Goswami. And the correct answer is C. Kanti Bajpai. And the ninth question is, MP's Anshula Rao becomes first women cricketer to be handed a ban for how many years by NADA? And the options are A. 2 years, B. 4 years, C. 5 years, and D. none of these. And the correct answer is B. 4 years. Anshula Rao becomes first woman cricketer to be handed a ban for 4 years by NADA. NADA means National Anti-Doping Agency, which is founded on 24th November 2005. And the last question for today is, which of the following state has launched Kisan Mitra Urja Yojana? And the options are A. Haryana, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Madhya Pradesh, and D. Rajasthan. And the correct answer is D. Rajasthan. Farmers will get a monthly grant of 1000 rupees under this scheme. And the one-liners today are, Al Jasser elected as the new president of Islamic Development Bank. Islamic Development Bank founded in 1973 and headquartered in Saudi Arabia. The Assam government has decided to provide jobs to National Games medalists. Assam CM Himanta Biswa Sharma announced this, and new Quad grouping New Quad grouping formed by US, Afghanistan, Uzbekistan and Pakistan. Quad officially Quadrilateral Security Dialogue is a group of 4 countries which includes US, Afghanistan, Uzbekistan and Pakistan. And Haryana government will soon introduce the one block, one product scheme. To encourage and promote small industries in the rural areas. And thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down your doubts below about current affairs. Stay safe, stay home.